Davao City, Philippines, known for its stunning beaches. Today, we explore the top beaches to visit in this beautiful city. Our first stop is Mati City, home to the famous Dahican Beach. With its crystal clear waters and powdery white sand, it's truly a paradise for beach lovers. Next, we head to Samal Island, where you'll find the stunning Isla Retta Beach. The calm turquoise waters and swaying palm trees make it a must-visit destination. Dahican Island is our next destination, boasting beautiful beaches like Babu Santa Beach and Isla Retta Beach. The pristine coastline and vibrant marine life make it a beach lover's dream. From Mati City to Samal and Dahican Islands, Davao City is home to some of the most stunning beaches in the Philippines. Whether you're seeking relaxation or adventure, these beaches have something for everyone. Thank you for watching.